This is Ibps Rrb Clerk Prelims model test number 93. Let's see the puzzles from this paper. Look at the first question. How many boxes? 7 boxes PQRSTUV are kept one above the other. R is kept either at the top or at the bottom. Only 3 boxes are between R and U. Now R is kept either at top or at the bottom, and there are only 3 boxes between R and U. I'm not sure. I'll wait. Next, only 3 boxes between R and U. Box P is kept immediately above S. Immediately above S is P. Next, box V is kept immediately. Box P is kept immediately above S. V is kept above S. V is kept above S. It is not immediate. Okay. Next, more than one box is kept between V and U. V and U, there is a gap of more than one. And then next, as many boxes are kept above T as below. With this, I am not sure. Avuna kada? As many boxes are kept above T as below U. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. What is the first possibility? R 1, 2, 3 U. Total number of boxes is how much? 7. R is kept either at the top or at the bottom. This is R 1, 2, 3 U 5, 6 and 7. The number of boxes kept above T is below U. U third place from bottom, T third place from top. Ante kada? P and S. How many possibilities? Only one possibility. P and S. More than one between V and U. More than one between V and U ante pakka this is V. Who is left out? Q. Done? Yes. Single case. We got the answer. Which of the following boxes is kept immediately below T? Immediately below T is Q. How many boxes are kept between V and P? How many between V and P? 3. Which among the following box is kept at the bottom? What is at the bottom? S. Which of the following statements are true as per the given arrangement? Only 2 boxes are kept between S and Q. Is it true? Whenever first option is true, I need to relook into the options. There's one option which says both 1 and 2, and there's also another option which says all are true. Second one, U is kept immediately below Q. Yes. U is kept above V. No. What's the answer? 1 and 2. If all the boxes are arranged in alphabetical order from top to bottom, then how many boxes will remain unchanged? Top to bottom, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Nothing. What's the answer? None. Okay now? Yes. Next puzzle. (11 to 15). Look at this question 11 to 15. How many persons? 8 people are sitting in 2 parallel rows containing 4 people each row with equal distance between them. A, B, C, D are seated. All of them are facing north. Who are facing north? A, B, C, D. And P, Q, R, S, all of them facing south. Thus, in the given arrangement, each member seated in row faces another member of the other row. And both are facing each other. Each one of them likes different brands of shoes, that is Nike, Puma, Mochi, Fila, Bata, Woodland, Adidas and Reebok. So this is a question clearly on seating arrangement plus distribution. Avuna kada? First one, C sits second to the right of the one who likes Reebok. There's one person who likes Reebok, second to the right of him is C. And we know that C is facing north. Done kada? I need only one more place. The one who likes Nike sits to the only one person sits between Q and the one who faces C. This is the one who is facing C. One person. Can I go to our right side? It has to be to the left side. Pakka this is Q. The one who likes Nike sits to the immediate left of Q. Immediate left of Q is Nike ante Q ki immediate left ante manaki right. Because they are facing south. D sits to the immediate right of the one who faces yes. D sits to the immediate right of the one who faces yes. Ante there are 2 possibilities. if this is S, this is D, or if this is S, this is D. Ante this S and D are the deciding factor for the final person. Yes or no? ఏమని చెప్పిండు? D sits to the immediate right of the one who faces S. Who faces S is this fellow, immediate right is this D. What I am suggesting is, don't write this point. You are wasting time. You should imagine that in your mind. Opposite to S, immediate right is D. This point you should imagine in your mind. If you imagine that point in your mind, then there are only two possibilities kada. Can I take S here? Can I take S here? Yes. Final place D. If this is S, final place D. అవునా కాదా? ఇది నీ మైండ్ లో క్రియేట్ అవ్వాలి. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ చదువు. P likes woodland. P likes woodland. Next. A sits second to the right of the one who likes Puma. A sits second to the right of the one who likes Puma. Still how many possibilities? Two possibilities. Next line. Q does not like, sorry, either C or S likes Adidas. C or S, any one is Adidas. Next. Q does not like Bata. Q not equals to Bata. Next. The one who likes Mochi sits second to the right of the one who faces Q. Second to the right of the one who faces Q. Who is facing Q? Reebok. Second right is C. And what does C like? Mochi. Then automatically S likes Adidas. Am I done with the clues? How many possibilities? How many possibilities? About S and D. Avuna kada? First possibility, this is S, this is D. Antena? P likes woodland. This is P. Ara? S likes Adidas. Who is left out? Puma and A. This is Puma, this is A. Automatically this is B. Q does not like Bata, A has to like Bata. అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. సింపుల్. Q, what is the one that is left out? చెప్పండి. Fila. So Q likes Fila. Am I done with the question? Did I waste any time? No. It's all about going in a flow. నీట్గా వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. Who among the following person faces S? Who is facing S? B. Which of the following shoes is liked by Q? Fila. 4 out of the following are alike. S and Reebok. The one who is opposite to S is adjacent to Reebok. R and Mochi. The one who is opposite to R is adjacent to Mochi. A and Fila. The one who is opposite to A is adjacent to Fila. D and Nike. The one who is opposite to D is adjacent to Nike. B and Adidas. No. B and Adidas are opposite to each other. So which option is my answer? Fifth option. Which of the following statements is true? Only one person sits between R and S. True kada? Whenever first option is true, recheck all the options. C likes Mochi. Yes. Q sits to the immediate right of the one who likes Nike. Yes. 100% yes. Enduku? Nike is facing south. Pakka right kada? What is the answer? All the statements are true. 15. Who amongst the following people sit at the extreme ends of the rows? SPBC. ఇట్లయితే నడవదు. ఎందుకంటే పక్కన వాడు బ్రాండ్ నేమ్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. అప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఏం చూసుకోవాలి? P and the one who likes Puma. Yes కదా? Which option? Second option. 16th question. How will you solve? Will we use pen and paper? Only observation. R greater than T. Common letter. R greater than T. ఒక్క నిమిషం. చలో V. R greater than V. V less than T. Greater than, less than, opposite. N less than or equals to M. N less than or equals to V. V less than M. Less than or equal to less than, answer less than. అవునా కాదా? సో వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్? Neither one, not two. 17th question. What is the common letter? P. X less than or equals to B. Chalo, X less than or equals to P. P greater than or equals to B. Less than, greater than, opposite. W less than A. W less than P. P less than or equals to A. Antena? W less than P, P less than or equals to A, less than or equals to less than, right? అంతే కదా, అబ్జర్వేషన్, ఓన్లీ అబ్జర్వేషన్, డోంట్ యూస్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్. K less than A, కామన్, చలో K less than A, K less than D, D less than A, right or wrong? Right. M greater than or equals to V, M greater than or equals to D, D greater than or equals to V, right or wrong? Right, both 1 and 2. How many members sitting around a triangle table facing center? 3 people are at the corners while the others sit in the middle of the sides of the table. Amma, 6 people. Shall I go it in this way? Any problem? Everybody is facing. When everybody faces inside, follow exactly this system, because everybody is facing same day. Total number of people, Amma, 2 people between A and B. Come on, 2 people between A and B. A is third to the right of B, third to the left of B. ఎప్పుడు 6 people. అది 8 people అయితే 4th right, 4th left, ఆర్ 3 people between A and B. అర్థమవుతుందా? అంటే ఇది పాసిబుల్, ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకో, ఆపోజిట్ పొజిషన్స్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ ఓన్లీ ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఆర్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇది ఒక గొప్ప సత్యం మీరు తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకంటే లేదు చెప్తా వినమ్మా, చాలామంది తెలీదు. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసిరో కూడా లేదా, మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ మైట్ నాట్ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్. 3 persons are sitting around the circular table. When you make 3 people sit around the circular table, you should always see that they are equidistant from each other. Yes or no? So because see, if I say 8 people are sitting around the circular table, can you fix all the 8 people like this? It doesn't make any sense, kada? Or can I go with this strategy, 4 here and 4 on the other side? We have to arrange them in equidistant to each other. That is the rule, and that is the reason every time he says equidistant to each other in row arrangement, equidistant to each other in circular arrangement. Did you understand why he is using that word? If there are odd number of people, equidistant is this. Who is opposite to whom? Vastada? 4 people. Yes. And in circular arrangement, opposite positions will exist only if you have even number of people. Ardhamaitunda? So if there are no even number of people, he will never use the word opposite. He will use the word opposite in the question only if there are even number of people. Understood? So how many people here? 6. Chalo, first line jadu. U sits second to the left of Z. U sits second to the left of Z. Next, only 2 people sit between U and X. Endamma. Next line. Y and V are immediate neighbors. How many possibilities? Next, Y does not sit at the corner of the table. Avasarame ledu. Tarvata, as many persons sits between U and V, right of V is same as Y and W. U and V. ఒక విషయం నాకు చెప్పు, Y and V are immediate neighbors of each other కదా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Then పక్కా this is W కదా? As many persons sitting between U and V as between Y and W. If this is V, U and V adjacent, Y and W should be adjacent. Will it be a possibility? అయిపోయింది. అయిపోయిందా లేదా? డౌట్ ఉందా? డౌట్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ క్వశ్చన్ చదువుకోండి, నేను చెప్పాను ఇంకా. Who amongst the following person sits second to the right of W? Who is second to the right of W? X. And he said Y does not sit in the corner of the table, and Y is sitting in the middle. Who are the middle positions? Alternate. ante kada? Who amongst the following persons sits second to the right of W? It is X. How many people sit between U and V from the left of U? U and V from the left of U is 1. Who amongst the following sits at the corner of the table? Who are sitting at the corner of the table? U, V, Z. U, V, Z. What is the position of Z with respect to Y? With respect to Y, position of Z. Third right or third left? Why? Both are opposite. Do we have third right in the options? Yes. If all the people are arranged in alphabetical order in clockwise direction, starting from U. Ikkade kada U. How many will remain unchanged excluding U? U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Only one. Who is that? X.